boys, enough of that time-lapse music stuff. I don't look the best. I'm all sweaty, it's hot, but I'm showing you guys the real deal, what it's really like to work on these cars. I'm not gonna look all pretty for you guys. So that time lapse that you guys saw, it was what, 2-3 minutes for you guys? It was actually about 3 days worth of work for me. You know, obviously I work on this stuff whenever I get off of work, but let me explain to you guys what I did. It's getting kind of dark, but I want to go ahead and finish this off for you guys today. So first of all, I did remove the electric fans, and I installed an OEM fan onto the water pump with a fan clutch and the new shroud. And honestly, I like the way this looks more. I like the OEM style instead of the you know, big old empty space in the middle. Also, I did install the power steering. The reservoir is here. It should be over here. It's supposed to be higher, but that's what it is on my car, and it's worked, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And also I ran all the AC lines. So the AC lines go from here all over here, down through the bottom of the car, and up to the compressor, down to the compressor. I had to install a new AC condenser, the new expansion valve, some new lines. Basically, I had to order a bunch of parts from Toyota. I didn't have some of the AC lines. I didn't have the AC condenser. Another reason why it started taking me a little bit longer is because I didn't have all the bolts and all the nuts that I needed for the car. But I mean, just a few days and I was able to get everything. Power steering, all my coolant system, I already flushed the coolant system, so that's good to go. Unfortunately, I did have to remove all the intercooler piping because the intercooler piping that ran from here, they had it routed just like over the alternator, and it was hitting the fan here. So I removed that, and I'm gonna run it down over the K-member and into the intercooler. That's the way it should be run. That's the way it is on my car, and it gives you like the most space possible. Man, do y'all hear that? All the popping? It's 4th of July today, but I've been hearing this all week for like the last 7-8 days. It's been like this every single day, night, 2-3 in the morning. I don't understand. But anyways, so the car is pretty much good to go. Damn, that was a loud one. The car's pretty much good to go. It's actually drivable now. I don't have any tags or anything, and honestly I'm kind of nervous that I don't have any tags, and I'm nervous that there's probably a lot of cops. So what I'll do is I'll show you, I'll drive it around my house here through my driveway, and I'll show you guys that it actually moves. The only thing is that it does idle really high since I had to remove all of the intercooler piping. The throttle body's wide open, turbo's wide open, but I'll show you guys that it can move. And now I don't have to push the car, push it to the back, push it over here to work on it, push it into the garage whenever it's raining. I don't have to do any of that. I just turn it on and drive it. Thank God. I've been waiting a long time for that. Man, this car has taken so much work, a ton of work, a lot more than I expected, to be honest with y'all. But my wife's getting pretty excited, and honestly that makes it all worth it. But let's not waste any more time. Let me show you guys. There we go. Thankfully it starts up perfectly. So we're gonna put it into reverse here. Look at that, it's drivable. Oh, I'm so happy about this. There's the Eclipse. Alright, gonna back it up again. Watching my mirrors. And y'all can see it's drivable. You know what? Should we take it out for a spin? Maybe the cops are more trying to catch all these people with the fireworks. All right, let's go around the block. Man, the car looks good. All right, guys, if I get pulled over, I'm gonna say it's y'all's fault. All right, put my seatbelt on. All right, so I'm literally just gonna go around the block. That's all I'm gonna do. And I don't have my head mount, so I gotta hold the GoPro with my hand. It was the first time this car's ever leaving my driveway, like on its own. Damn, it sounds good. Hey, what a way to celebrate the 4th of July, right? Freedom, letting this car finally stretch its legs. Damn, the rear tires are revving really bad. I gotta get the fenders rolled. You guys hear that? It's cops. It wasn't me. It was you guys. Sounds like World War III, man. Jesus. Like I said, you guys, I've been hearing this for 7-8 days. I am not even exaggerating, you guys. 7 or 8 days. These fireworks are insane. More like the people around here are insane. But we're back on it. We're back on the grind. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing, you know, the 2 videos a week, every Sunday, every Wednesday. Whether it's Wednesday night or Sunday night, I'll still do it. But we should be good moving forward. Especially now that the red Supra is running, as y'all could tell. I do have to plumb up all the intercooler piping. And you guys see all this beautiful aluminum piping here? This box is full of it. And I got a bunch of clamps here. I got a killer deal from this gentleman that had a post, I think it was on OfferUp or Craigslist. And I'm not sure if you're watching, the guy, the gentleman who sold me this stuff. If you're watching, thank you so much, man. You saved me a ton of money on these parts. But I have more than enough piping to make all the intercooler kit for the car. And some stainless exhaust, some stainless pipes over here. I got the muffler somewhere here. I don't even know where everything's at anymore. But everything's 4-inch, so should make a really nice sounding exhaust. And some more stuff. I gotta get the wheels on the car too, the front wheels. But yeah, you guys, so we should be making a lot more progress on the car moving forward. Now that it is drivable, I'm able to do more important things. Basically, like the last few months, it's just getting the car to this point, getting it to where I can drive it, I can have it running, and have no worry that there's something wrong with it, that it's gonna overheat, that it's leaking something. So far the car seems very, very solid. The engine sounds great. The only thing that I hear is just that clutch chatter, but it's fine. The car drives, and actually the clutch feels really good. But yeah, and hopefully soon my brother is gonna be taking the car, start doing all the body work, primering it, and so I can vinyl wrap it, and finally install the exterior parts that I have for that. I mean, the car's gonna look 100% different. It's gonna look like a completely different car. I can't wait. It's gonna look so good. I was actually very tempted to keep that wrap for my car, but I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna put it on hers. But anyways, you guys, I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. I know I haven't posted. I know I had not posted in a while, but everything's good, you guys. I am doing fine. My family's doing fine, and I hope you guys are also doing fine. Take care of yourselves. You know, just be as safe as you can. I guess as safe as necessary. I'm not really sure what to tell you guys regarding that. So we're at 25,000 subscribers now. Crazy. Mind blown. Never thought that could happen. I mean, that you could, damn, that's a big ass mouth. You can check this shit out. Look at that. Look at the size of my hand. It's huge. Oh God. Oh. All right, here, I'm gonna move over here so you guys can make fun of me for that. I don't care. But anyways, so it's crazy because we're about 25% of the way there to getting a YouTube plaque. Me get a YouTube plaque? What? That's crazy. But you never know, it could happen. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the support, and just stay tuned, man. There's gonna be a lot more progress on this car, on the red Supra, and I'll try to do my best to incorporate all the other cars too. Appreciate the support like always, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, like the video. It helps the channel grow. That's why people ask you to like, subscribe, comment. It's just to grow the channel. It's only if you want to. It's only if you like my stuff. But if you're still watching right now, I think you like it, so later.